Fine, let us start working on the third problem based on integers. Right here, the integer which is 5 less than minus 5 plus open bracket minus 10 is. So let us first simplify this. So what they have given here is minus 5 plus minus 10, right? Close the bracket. Now let me simplify here. Minus 5 plus into minus is minus, right? Right, minus 5 plus into minus is minus 10, right? Now both digits have or numbers have same sign, so you have to add it here. So this will become minus 15, right? The question is what? The integer which is 5 less than this number, so that is minus 15. So now if you take this, right, this is a number line 0. So this is going to be positive numbers 2, 3, 4, something like this. Here minus 1, see, minus 2, minus 3, like this. If you come to this, so the number here is minus 15, right? This number. The question is the integer which is 5 less than. So when you go this side, these are all the lesser number than the previous number. So minus 5, 15, minus 5, that is going to be, so minus 20. Minus 20 which is less than this. So that's what, see, 5 less than minus 15 is minus 20. Option B is the